Some Ford power here with their broken spark plugs. Alright, Takora.
04 Dodge Ram 2500 burnout. Take 1. Listen for the tick. The hemi tick. Burnout, take 1 as we wait for the car to go by. It's pretty shitty for a hemi, I think. Dynomax mufflers, low-tech headers, true duals, no cats. Hi Derek!
Hi, what's happening?
Where's your 5-point harness for racing? And your helmet?
Coming from Summit.
Summit Racing. No power. No power. What up? Listen to the guy there.
Are you recording?
Recording now. First gear.
First gear.
How fast we can go in first gear.
70K.
70K first gear.